Hi, this is Derek Ferguson, Senior Product Manager for the DAS Group here at Gitlab. And I'm going to be going over today what we're planning on working on in the 13.6 release of Gitlab. So the first thing that we're working on is adding more options into the site profile for the on-demand DAS scans. We're going to be building on what we introduced in 13.5 with the site validation and the text file validation by adding more validation types, such as header validation or meta tag validation, to allow you to validate that you own a website in multiple ways, not just by uploading a text file. This will expand the validation to include REST API and websites so that you can validate any type of site for DAS scanning. The second thing that we're going to be adding into the site profile are the excluded URL options and additional request headers, as well as the ability to enable authentication so that you can use the on-demand DAS scans with authenticated sites so that you can scan those. One of the big features that we're working on is that we have started work on building up our own browser-based scanner. So this scanner initially will provide a browser-based alternative for spidering to allow better coverage for modern applications, single-page applications within DAST. This is going to be a multi-milestone feature. So we are starting work on it in this milestone, and we plan on making significant progress throughout the next few months. The next and final thing that we're working on is that we are going to be working to improve the noise that happens on the dashboard with the DAS scans when you have a large website and many vulnerabilities are found. A lot of times, the same vulnerability can be found on multiple pages, and when you have a large website, that adds up to many vulnerabilities listed in the dashboard. So in doing this, we're aggregating the vulnerabilities that have a single fix, such as headers, back-end issues, things like that, into a single vulnerability where each URL where this is found is listed. This will allow you to create one issue for all of the pages rather than trying to create multiple issues for all the pages when the fix is a single file or a single fix. So we'll be doing that. This should cut down significantly on the noise within the dashboard and allow you to focus more on exactly what matters in the high and critical vulnerabilities that are found. In keeping with this, we're also disabling some vulnerability checks that are informational only and or have been deprecated, such as the Unix timestamp vulnerability check. This is an informational check, and it really provides very little value, if any, to customers. So we're going to be disabling this and looking for other things that we can disable that have maybe been deprecated because the headers have been deprecated or other things like that. So that's what we're going to be working on within DAST in 13.6. All right, thank you very much.